What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here today. I want to, I guess, maybe start on this camper. The truck bed camper. Huh. Yeah. There's the Hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
I wanna go ahead and start working on this. I'm very nervous about this. First thing I need to do, I don't know what the first thing I need to do is, honestly. I guess maybe I gotta start somewhere. So I think I might just start with this area. I know this whole section is bad. Like, ooh, I don't know what that is. I don't want to touch it. I kind of want to touch it, but I don't. Well, if it's like slimy mushrooms, y'all, I don't like googly stuff. I don't even know what that is. Snake skin? Who knows? But I do know, I think I want to start by taking some of this off, this area off. Before I do, now the guy I bought this from has like a jack, well, I won't call it a jack stand. It's like a stand that he had built for this. I might go ahead and grab that because, you know, this is it's kind of leaning down like that, tilted down. I also want to, get this set up. I got bricks. I've got, a piece of wood inside the shipping container there, so that I'll have a solid floor on the inside. But yeah, I'm not quite sure where to start. Like, do I gut it from the inside first, or do I start with this section first? I mean, there's there's just so much stuff that needs to be done to this. I think what I want to do first is lower this down. Lower this down as low to the ground as it'll go. I think I'll start there. Get this thing down nice and low, and maybe I'll find something that'll hold that up while I start undoing this this trim here. I gotta take this trim piece off first, and yeah, there's another trim piece underneath here that needs to come off, and just work my way this way towards the back, and then I can gut the inside. Yeah, I'll do that. Maybe. I don't know. Y'all, who knows? I don't know what to do. But I do know that this is not really it's not really a good safe floor to walk around on. So I know Joe was like, but when we went and looked at it, the floor was solid. She keeps saying that, but what she keeps failing to understand is this was sitting in the bed of a truck. So of course the floor is solid. It's on a metal truck bed, so yeah, it's gonna be solid. But now there's no way I would think it would be safe to walk in here. No, there's no way. No way. No way it's safe. But yeah, we'll do that. Work on the outside and work my way in. I think that's the right way. Maybe there is no right or wrong way. Oh, gosh. What do I do? Because I honestly don't know. But I've got to start somewhere. So what I'm going to do is, first thing is lower this down. Get this lower down. And yeah, lower it down and get the floor of it solid up on bricks and things and kind of safe to walk on. And then I'll start taking off this trim, I think. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm standing under this now, but I'm telling you guys, this, I'm surprised that let me come out of here. These jacks are connected to rotten wood. I know this wood is rotten. I know it is. Look, that's even, let's see, where is that? That's a gap there. That's like separated. And one of them was just like really loose. And let's see. Yeah. Look, this bolt here is backing out. Oh, look, on this side too. I don't even think that bolt's even attached to anything anymore. And part of me also wishes I had not parked this thing this close to the shipping container. It's so close that, I mean, there's not much room to work in over there. And y'all, I don't know if you could tell. Can you tell on camera? That jack stand is so crooked, it's going at a slant. So, I mean, this thing is very rickety and probably it's kind of gonna freak me out. And I kind of sort of wish that I had, yeah, that, look how crooked that is. It's going at an angle, but look. I wonder if I could just kick it. Hold on. Do not watch me do this. I don't know. It's kind of janky. But anyway. Yeah. Yeah. So, go ahead and lower this thing down. Get the floor kind of shored up. And we'll start working on this thing. Alright, y'all, I got it at its lowest possible height. I was hoping to get a little bit lower than that. I was hoping to get that all the way down to the ground just about. But this is like a nice manageable height, I think. Nice working height. Now to look at shoring this up. I know I got the guy that I bought it from put these ratchet straps on there to hold it together because the metal is bowed out and coming apart in different spots. I probably also should look into getting a tarp. I have a huge camping tarp that's 10 foot by 10 foot, I think, or 12 foot by 12 foot or something like that. I'm gonna go grab that tarp and see if that'll fit over at least some of this, so when I start taking it apart, the rain doesn't rot the new wood. But that took a while. I was Try to be super cautious because it just felt really, really sketchy. All right. Well, I think my next step is to get these bricks underneath there, and I've got a piece of 3/4 inch plywood I want to set on top of the bricks and have support in the floor that way. Hopefully that works. Let's see. I'm not quite sure if those bricks are going to be tall enough, but nope. They're not tall enough. It's probably about 3 or 4 inches too short. So what I'm thinking is I need to go get more bricks, the flat bricks. Yeah, I need more of the flat bricks. Which means I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit, put that flat brick down, and then put these bricks down. But I guess I just need first to see how many I'm gonna want. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'll need like 11 of the flat bricks. I don't need the real super thick ones like what's holding those up. I got 2 under each one of those. Maybe the ones that's a little bit thinner than those. So, okay, well, this is just the beginning. So, and I've got money set aside for this, and I think this is going to be this is going to be a hard project. My biggest project I've ever had to date. Yeah, that's full of mosquito larvae. I need to get rid of that. But anyway, yeah. So I need, what did I say, 11? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 12 bricks, so maybe I'll just get 12. Yep. Alright, y'all. Work is going to begin very soon. Very soon. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So, my back ladder feels pretty strong and sturdy. So maybe this section might be good. It might be good and not rotten. But you see that? That's water stain on that curtain there. So maybe it's not good. But anyway, well, I've started. Oh, nervous. I think, God, the mosquitoes trying to eat me up. I think what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get to Lowe's. Looks like it might start raining anyway. So I'm going to go to Lowe's tonight, right now. Get those flat bricks. And then tomorrow, go ahead and get this set up. And then tomorrow, we'll start taking stuff apart and seeing what kind of damage we got. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, y'all, I've got the bricks all set up, and now I'm going to put that 4x8, 3/4 inch 4x8 sheet on top of those bricks, and then lower this down on top of that so it has somewhere stable while I can go inside, walk around on the floor without fear of falling through the floor. I've made myself a checklist of things that I need to check off. I got my notebook here. Oops, got my notebook here. And after I get the camper dropped down on top of those bricks, I'm going to back my truck up, plug it in. See, there's a cord hanging down right there. That's the 7-way. I'm going to plug that into my truck and check the lights. I don't know how I'll be able to check the AC or the hot water heater or anything like that, but I probably could check the water pump and see if the stove comes on with the propane. I've got some propane tanks. There's a propane tank in there. I don't know if there's any propane in it, but I can take it out and check it. So I'll do that. As I did a walk around, there's some... Let me zoom in, see if I could get those on camera. Alright, yep. Alright, you see those cords hanging down, or those little wires hanging down way back there in the back, little skinny wires? Those wires there connect to the black tank. They connect to the black tank sensors to tell you if it's full or empty or whatever. Those wires are all severed, so I will be needing to get probably new sensors, probably. And I don't know if there's anything in that black tank, but that will need to be addressed. The freshwater tank will need to be addressed, which I found where the freshwater tank is. It is actually right there. That black box right there. That is the freshwater tank. So I'll need to probably empty, clean, sanitize that. Maybe replace it. Don't know. We'll see. But first thing I need to do is get this camper lowered. And the reason why I need to lower it down is I need to probably address those jacks, because they are just like all cattywampus. I mean, they're just like sticking out at odd angles and stuff. So I need to get those addressed. Let's see if I can I zoom in on that? Yeah, you see how this one on the right hand side, see how it's angled outwards? It's not even in line with that one in the back. So yeah, and I know it's because of the decay and how the that side. Oh yeah, you can see right there by that window how it's all bowed out. That's all decayed, and it's kind of dropped down a little bit. Yep, you can see that too, how it's coming down at a little bit of an angle on that side, and probably this side too. Yeah, these two jacks are in line. See, those are in line. But yeah, you can also see on that side how it's kind of that's the sleeping section is kind of drooped down. So, but yeah, we need to address all of this. But first off, I need to get that board up there. So what I've done, there's a brick there. I'm going to put the board on top of that brick and then slide that board underneath there. Hopefully that works. Not sure if that's going to work or not, but that's going to be my workaround because I am out here by myself. I have no help right now. So this is what I've got. And hopefully this works. Oh, that worked. Whew. Okay. Now I can, yep. I can lower this and let that rest on those bricks. It's totally off all four jacks. All four of the jacks have space underneath the bricks, I think. Check them. Yep. All right. So it's totally resting on the bricks. Now to go inside and do a test walk on the floor and make sure it's not going to collapse. Or I won't, at least not, I won't fall through the floor. Had to do a battery change. Alright, so the floor feels solid enough to walk on to me. So now, now to begin. Don't know where to begin, but time to begin.